All right, everyone, we are going to take a quick look at ACH here. So, either way you draw the Fibonacci on the chart here, I would say Alchemy Pay over 2 pennies. You are bullish here. So, from the low to the high here, we're back over that 236 at 2.1. If we move the Fibonacci back down to where this used to be a couple of weeks ago, you can see we're back over the 236 at 2 for support. So either way you draw it, over 2 pennies, ACH is bullish, making higher highs, higher lows here. We can even go as far as drawing a little mini fib on the chart from the low here to the high, and you can see that if you don't count the wicks, these three candles right here set perfectly on the 618 retracement at 2. So ACH over 2 pennies is bullish. That's all I'm getting at here. It's curling up on the stock RSI. The Heikin-Ashi candles you can see are green at the moment. And I would say it's only a matter of time before we start moving here. So these may be your last days, last chance to buy in around this 2 penny mark on ACH. So we're going to get these off of the chart here. So just keep an eye on those here. And then once we break the high at 2.4, then I think she is headed for the macro 382 here, which I'm going to point out here in just a moment here. So as long as you stay over 2 pennies on ACH, we're good to go, in my opinion. So let's get this off of the chart. We're going to zoom out to the weekly candles here. Let me get the moving averages off of the chart just so we can make this as clean as possible. And we're going to simply draw one large fib. Notice I do have a red box on the chart. We'll discuss that in just a moment. But just simply going from the high back here on the Coinbase chart to the low, you can see off of the double bottom pattern here on those smaller time frames, we are back above the 236 at 16. And the next stop would be the 2.7 area here. And I want you guys to notice how all of these weekly candles got stuck perfectly at the 0.5 resistance at 4 pennies here. So all the resistance here turn resistance. And then once we get up to that 0.5 and ACH breaks over 4 pennies, I think that's the point to where she may start going vertical here. So I do believe we're in the beginning stages of a bull run. So I don't think we're going down. We may have small retracements, but from here on out, I think it's up and sideways. So we're looking at about a 30% move once we break that high on that daily time frame up here to 2.7. And then once we break through that, we are coming up here to retest that 0.5 at 4 pennies. And you can see that's a 96% move. And then once we blow through that, it's off to the races, in my opinion. The red box I have here on the chart, this is my prediction. I'm going to leave this on here for future reference to see how this plays out. Of course, ACH could go higher. It could go to $1. No one really knows how big this bull run is going to be. But from where we are right now, I think it's totally fair for a $4 billion market cap. And from where we are right now, you can see if we make it up to this red box, that is anywhere from a 22x to a 28x up here to the 50 to 60 cent range on Alchemy Pay here. So that is my prediction for this next bull run. Like I said, it could go higher. That's only a $4 billion market cap. Of course, if it goes to $1, that's about a $7 billion market cap. And then we'll just, see how this thing actually does play out. One funny thing I want to show you guys, which I do not think is ever going to happen, but you can see the top of the Fibonacci here all the way to your 4236 is a $20,000 ACH. Wouldn't that be something? So yeah, to be fair, I'm looking at about a 50 to 60 cent $4 billion market cap ACH. But like I said, it could go higher. If it goes higher, then congrats to whoever stays in that long. But that would be my target to get out. So yeah, we'll leave it at that on ACH. Good luck, not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.